Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and do you want some free game dev stuff? Of course you do. It is time for that bi-weekly roundup of all the free game dev stuff that's out there, and we're going to start off with this one. This is Unreal Engine, one of 3 free assets on the Fab Marketplace. This is the Fisherman's Cabin. I bet you can guess which country this is by looking at it right here. Now, if you are not using Unreal Engine, I have to warn you, once again, hoard, and hoard some more, because the asset you see in front of you right here, well, here it is in the Godot game engine. Obviously, vastly different lighting, but I used an exporter. You can see it down below in action. And you can see all of the stuff that you use in this particular version can be run over here. So if you are not already hoarding these, if you are using other engines, they are still useful to you, or you may use Unreal Engine at some point in the future. So if you're interested, do be sure to pick these up. As you can see, there are guides down below for how you can export an asset such as this out over to either Godot or Unity or Blender or whatever. So pick these up. Even if you are not intending to use them right away. By the way, you have until August 25th to pick these up. So here you can see this one is straightforward. It's strangely expensive, as we will see in just a second, but thankfully, you're not paying for it. So that is one of the 3 free Fab one. And by the way, we have more than just the Fab stuff, so stick around for that. We also have this one. This is the Voyager. This is a create a project type setup. So you need to instantiate the entire thing. Let's go ahead and load up the menu. This one is probably the belle of the ball as far as assets go in this demo. So here you can see it is a cover system, a Gears of War type system. We'll go ahead and we'll launch into the demo. You get an idea what I'm talking about. So create a new game and then come over here and we will hit this button, right? So, and then we will get into cover because the machine gun is going to come and start shooting at us. So you see here, it's going to show up there, and then of course you got your traditional pop in and out of cover shooting options here. You've also got, again, there, space bar to go in, and you can also do running into crouch, and so on. So if you need a cover system, again, very Gears of War-esque. This handles all of that. Very cool in that regard. And then we've got one more here, and this is spline effects. So let's go ahead and check out the demo level for it. This one is a bunch of spline effects. Straightforward. So if you want special effects or particle effects to follow a spline system, you can see them right here. So a variety of different splines in action. Let's go ahead. We'll run this demo. So you can notice it's an install a project. So we also have all of the characters. So we got our guide from the other demo here. But you get an idea of what kind of stuff you're dealing with. If you want to do special effects alongside of a spline, there are a number of different demos here as well. So I can see this for doing like spell effects, maybe for doing lighting effects like say Christmas lights, that kind of stuff. Again, a special effects one's based around splines. Pretty cool asset there. But that's not it. So what else do we have? Well, we also have the the Unity Engine Publisher of the Week. So this only is going to be for a couple more days, but you can get Real Material Volume 10, the Patterns Collection here. You get this completely free. You use this code LEX4ART2026 at checkout, and you get it for free. And then otherwise, they have all of their stuff. Lex4Art has all of their packs on for 50% off. So the Real Materials Volume 10 Patterns is the freebie this month on the asset store, or this week, I guess, technically. And if you head on over to Bundle Foundry, you're going to find they have a number of bundles going on. They also launched their own build your own bundle system. But what we were talking about specifically today is free game dev assets. And we got a couple of new launches there. A few of the older ones are still running as well. Go ahead and check those ones out. But you're going to find Ovani Sounds has launched a new bundle. I love Ovani stuff. Very good special effects and dynamic game soundtrack stuff. And what you'll notice here is if you come on in, there is a free tier with a very generous 1,759 remaining, at least as of the time I record this. In this one, in case you could get the Cyberpunk sound effect pack. So if you need a bunch of Cyberpunk sound effects, that's what's available for you. Obviously, you can get the whole bundle if you are interested. A number of effects, things like, again, casino machines or game for building tycoon type games. And then we've got some chiptune music here, villains, fantasy, and so on. A huge number of packs there. So I always love Ovani stuff, and you can get an Ovani pack completely for free over at Bundle Foundry. They also launched this one, the ZBrush and Blender Creature Brush bundle, and you're going to notice it has a free tier as well. So it's a number of different sculpting brushes for ZBrush and Blender. You're going to notice here there are a lot less of them. What was that number there? 489 as of the time I'm recording this. But you can get 20 flame brushes completely for free there as well. So some cool new freebies over on Bundle Foundry. The links are down below for those as well. If you do purchase a bundle while you're there, it does support me, and I thank you very much for doing so. Another freebie we have this month, or bi-weekly or whatever, this one's actually ongoing, is DragonRuby, which is a very cool Ruby-powered game engine. They just launched the new GAME license for DragonRuby Game Kit. It's full API parity with the standard license, can be used for commercial purposes, is royalty-free. So this is all about using it in game jams and then bringing your game over to a commercial release. So that was just launched there. They also have they have a number of cool options for getting DragonRuby for free as well, but they have this game jam license, so no monetary barrier for using standard edition. So you can download the jam license for free there. It'll remain updated. We'll always have 100% API parity with the standard license. And then, yeah, that's kind of the idea behind it. And then once you go commercial, you get the standard license, I believe how it works. I'm not 100% certain on that, but they've been very flexible with how their licensing works in the past. So if you want to use DragonRuby for game jams, well, there is a license for you out there as well. And then a quick recap of the 3 fab assets. Again, these are going to be available until August 25th. You come on in here and air quotes buy them for whatever price. This is one of the first times I've ever seen where personal and professional are actually the same price, but it doesn't matter. Epic Games are picking up the tab anyways, and then once you purchase it, doesn't really matter which version you got in the first place as long as you qualified for it, and Epic Games are picking up the tab. So this is going to be a very expensive month for Epic Games. You're going to notice from the pricing here, because this one is a $400 assets. Again, this is for doing the cover system. It's pretty easy to understand. It's third-person Gears of War type cover system for your game, drop in ready. The other one we have is Dynamic Spline Effects number 2. So you get, again, a number of special effects, animated with Niagara effects, again, following along a spline. So if you needed to do a path demo for your tutorial showing people where to go, or for Christmas lights, or just spell effects, that kind of stuff, that is what this one is all about. And again, strangely expensive. So it's like a $1,400 asset at the pro tier. And then finally, we have the Nordic Fishing Hut, which is strangely super expensive. This one's $2,400, which is I don't know what's going on with the price tags this time, but we're looking, Fab are giving away, what, 2,400, 20, so 2,400, 30, okay, no, yeah, 2,400, 3,400, so 3,800, and then another 400, I think the other one was, so 4,000 plus MSRP worth of stuff here. And that is it. So again, you have until the 25th to check out on these ones. And again, even if you are not using Unreal Engine right now, you should be adding these to your cart and checking them out. Because as you saw earlier on, we got this exported out into Godot. It doesn't look perfect right away because obviously the scenes aren't set up right, the lights aren't there and everything, but it brings over the assets and then you can create your own scene using those prefabbed assets. Super easy. And again, those guides are available down below. So some pretty nice freebies. We got a texture pack over on the asset store. We got a pair of bundles, Ovani and the sculpting bundle over on Bundle Foundry with free tiers, and we have the brand new DragonRuby Jam license. All right, let me know what you think. Comments down below. I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.